Did all the eggs so bright, colors shining in the light. Red, blue, yellow, green, rainbow colors can be seen. Dough to the red egg is bold and bright. Red like roses, such a sight. Red like cherries, red like fire. Red is full of warm desire. Dough to the blue egg is cool and calm. Blue like the ocean, soothing balm. Blue like the sky, blue like jeans. Blue is fresh and full of dreams. Dough to the yellow egg shines like the sun. Yellow like lemons, full of fun. Yellow like daisies, light and sweet. Yellow makes the day complete. Dough to the green egg is full of life. Green like grass, green like a leaf. Green like frogs, green like trees. Green is gentle like a breeze. Though the orange eggs are warm and bright. Orange like carrots, pure delight. Orange like pumpkins, autumn's call. Orange is cozy, loved by all. Though the purple egg so royal and deep. Purple like grapes where secrets sleep. Purple like flowers, soft and light. Purple is magic in the night. Did all the eggs so bright,